Good morning.
Birthday, let's turn up. Girl, it's your birthday, let's turn up. I know you got a feeling. I know you feel it. I know you feel it, baby, I swear.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm just waking up. Yeah, I could not sleep at all last night. I could not sleep. I was like, I think because I was so excited. Like, I could not sleep. I kept waking up and looking at the time and then going back to sleep. Like, I could not sleep. So right now it's almost 7 o'clock in the morning. Yes, it's early. Today I am going to be going to get my license first, and then I'm going to. So after I get my license, I'm going to be going to get my car. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm finna get ready in your dress and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put the camera where y'all can see. I wanna do one of them little things that they do in the air. My shit see through, but okay. So I'm gonna find some clothes real quick. I hope that came out right. A little gray Aeropostale shit and some jeans, ain't nothing special. Good morning. I'm doing a vlog today. She just waking up. I'm getting off the vlog.
Oh, Lord.
Say hi.
Hi, who I'm talking to? What you
I'm
doing
doing
up, boy?
a vlog. Pop.
This dress to me, don't have to get dressed. Take your pants off.
I got my wallet and I'm finna put all my stuff in my purse. Cause this is what I'm bringing. I gotta have the mask. So yeah, we finna leave. I just got my AirPods and some water and my charger. And I got my purse. So now we finna leave. Nobody even ate. That's how big of a machine. Cause mom gotta go to work. So I just got my. We got driver's license. Let me see how it looks.
It's cover information.
It's kind of cute, kind of. Driver's license.
Here.
Pop!
Hey! You knocked my ear right now, Pop.
Than ever before.
Oh, I will not
Paid for by the governor's office of Homeland Security and Emergency.
Pop, look! Thank you. Give it back.
What she say? This is, they oiled it, so you gotta get.
You don't got no wipes?
No, let it stay oiled, so that condition the leather. You gotta know where you,
I think it's conditioner enough.
Nah, watch. When you put it in reverse, the camera comes on. You gotta put your foot on the brake though. Yeah. Put your air. You gotta get some pads like mine. Mats, I mean. That's air freshener. I got mine from Walmart. Deja in her new car. This means air circulate around the car. AC. This is for to have the top. This is for to have the bottom on. That's to turn it on and off.
Offers and coverage not available everywhere. Additional terms and restrictions apply. See boostmobile.com or retail.
Look, Pop.
And COVID-19 or
Say cheese.
coronavirus is one of the deadliest threats that our state
Y'all like the
has
car?
ever faced.
Yeah.
What y'all think about it? Just
You could do a lot of videos.
We need us to stop.
you just worry about videos.
Stay home. Wash your hands.
I like the
practice physical
lever.
distancing. Don't touch your face.
Well, you gotta wait.
It's good, Pop.
Dad,
Is he home?
it's so good. I want to eat the food.
So we at McDonald's right now. Bring fried food.
What?
I'm vlogging.
Oh my God.
So y'all, so we finally made it back. And guess look at this. Look at this. Y'all, that's not funny, cause that was you. That was you eating them fries and stuff. Now I gotta go clean it already. Y'all not ever eating here again. Ever again. Don't ever ask eating here again. Cause y'all not.
But you could do a lot of videos in our car. But
I ain't worried about making no videos. I'm worried about that right there. And it's not ever happening again. And I'm serious.
okay, let me try your macaroni.
Alright, so y'all, right now I'm at the car wash. And with my grandfather, he wanted to come see how the car was. I'm finna wash the car. Then I'm gonna get some stuff from it. I mean, not from it. I'm gonna get some stuff for it at Walmart and wherever else. AutoZone. They don't have much out here. That's what I'm doing right now. And I'm gonna show y'all what I get. Walmart. We got a lot of stuff. I got a lot of stuff in my little basket. I want most of the color to be black. And yeah, I'm just looking at the stuff. They got some pink ones, but I don't really want that. I just want black. Like, I don't like that. They got these. Mine got like some little pattern on it, but and I got this black steering wheel cover and it's a little fuzzy. That's really all I need. I wanted some seatbelt covers. This is not even soft, but they only have one left. Should I get this one? They only have one left. They only have one left. I might get just this one to put on my seat. But they got gray and they got this beige color, but I don't like those. I might just get this one. And they got mats. I'm supposed to get mats too. Yo, this is a lot of money. Yo. Whatever. And I'm finna get some air freshener. But what kind? I don't know. I gotta smell it. Got everything and I'm leaving. I got some protecting wipes and stuff. Excuse me. And I got some air freshener and some glass wipe and protecting wipe. Well, cleansing wipes. I cannot talk. So I had to come back in Walmart after I got everything. Cause I wanted a lanyard and an umbrella and I just stopped picking stuff. Because I needed something that I could carry around to put my money in. Because I just be carrying a little wallet. And I had to come back to get some car mats. Okay. So, y'all, these car mats is high. Like, well, this one got 5 pieces in it. Is it for trucks or is it cars? It's a fits cars. 4 pieces, 5 pieces. Where would the 5th piece go? This one has 5 pieces too. This one only comes with 1 and it's 29. What? This one comes with 4, but it's red. That's ugly. I'm gonna get this one right here. I gotta carry this other to the front. This gonna be heavier. Okay, it's not that bad.
Birthday, let's turn up. Girl, it's your birthday, let's turn up.